Hello everyone, I am Dr. Dipankar and welcome to our channel ProMed Mentor. We are all here to help you and guide you in this journey of counseling. So I know there are many rumors in the market right now. You guys must be feeling very excited and anxious at the same time. So we are here to help you in this. First of all, let's go through the process of counseling. If we talk about the round one, first of all, there will be registration. Then, along with registration, we will get to know about the seat metrics. We will do the choice filling, then choice locking will be there, and after that, there will be the result of round one counseling. Registrations that were put to halt earlier have now restarted. State registrations of states like Rajasthan, MP, and Haryana have also begun. I would suggest you guys just register in these state counseling as soon as possible. If you guys are looking for private colleges in these states, you can register now by paying a nominal amount of 1,000, 2,000. And after that, when you apply for the college, you can again register with the full amount. That is going to be approximately 2 lakh rupees, depends on the state. So go for registration right now. Apart from that, if we talk about the Haryana seat matrix, I think it's gonna be revised because according to the metrics that they have given us right now, they have allotted 80% seats to in-service candidates. So I think there will be changes and the metrics will be updated, re-updated. Also, one of the important phenomenon that I want to share with you is I think along with our team that there will be a positive shift seen in this counseling because I-9 exam will be held within 1 month or 2 months. Okay, so all the candidates will apply for round one counseling. But let's just say some candidates who are not satisfied with their rank right now, they are gonna uh, give a trial in the round first, but they will be much more focused on their exam of INICT. Okay, so I think they will back down in the round two or three. So those candidates who just want to pick up the seat in this counseling only, in this turn, you should be very smart, gather all the knowledge that you can, and go for the counseling in a very smart way with patience and appear for all the rounds. We have a team of dedicated doctors who, under the supervision of Dr. Anshul and Dr. Garima, are going to help you and guide you in this journey. We all have been through this journey before. So I think we're gonna guide you in a much better way. So thank you all. Stay positive and best of luck for this counseling.